talked a bit about sales bridges, and we talked about a variety of different ones. And we wanted to bring on Mark and Gennady from WeIntegrate. And you guys do something a little bit unique than the other sales bridges out there. So, Mark, if you want to talk a little bit about the history of WeIntegrate and how you came to be and what it is you're hoping to solve for.
Yeah, Dan, as you mentioned, we integrate. We are newer to the market, so a lot of people may not have heard of us yet, although the word seems to be spreading pretty quick, which we're excited about. We do currently focus primarily on Shopify into QuickBooks Online, both web store as well as POS from the same tool. Our focus and our thought was we want to go deep on Shopify first, really address the primary issues that we're hearing out there in the marketplace first, and then move on to other channels. So we do have that on our roadmap to get into other opportunity areas of like e-commerce, such as Amazon and Etsy and all the other common connections that people would need to effectively run their business. And it was during the time that I was with the ERP solution that the concept of integrating Shopify with QuickBooks Online came about. And here's why. We would call these small businesses, and we found out that a lot of times what they really just needed were very efficient tools to integrate a particular source, such as Shopify, with their financial systems, and not the whole gamut of what a complex ERP system would offer them, particularly at the smaller stage. Something also interesting that we found was that even though they're categorized as small businesses, they actually have big business needs. But because of this trend and e-commerce being one of them and this global market now, small businesses are competing head to head with big businesses. Problem being is it has to be easy to use and it has to be affordable, right? So that methodology and thought process has carried forward. And that's something that Gennady and I focus heavily on here with our solutions where we integrate.
Yeah, we wanted to bring a solution that streamlines things, automates things, and takes advantage of today's technical environment into the hands of the smaller organization. Exactly. We don't feel that organizations have to spend an arm and a leg for some of the basic features out there that larger enterprises take really for granted, but obviously can afford to pay for it.
That's awesome.